Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that might sound like a fantasy story, but it is, in fact, scientific reality. We're talking about hybrid animals and genetically engineered creatures that are no longer confined to the realms of mythology. For thousands of years, human imagination has conjured up incredible beings, like the winged Pegasus or the mighty griffin. Yet, in this modern era, with astonishing advancements in genetic science, humans are no longer just dreaming. We are actively creating new species, combining genes from different animals, birthing unique and sometimes controversial life forms. Are you ready to see how science is turning science fiction into reality? Let's begin our journey, uncovering 10 extraordinary animals created by humankind. We start with perhaps the most famous, the king of hybrid big cats, the liger. Imagine a male lion and a female tiger falling in love and having offspring. That's a liger. These magnificent creatures are the largest big cats in the world, often significantly bigger than both of their parents. They've been around since the 18th century and are renowned for their colossal size. On the flip side, we have the tigon, the inverse cross, a male tiger, and a female lion. Tigons are generally smaller than ligers but possess interesting characteristics like a mane-like ruffle of hair around their head when mature, similar to a male lion. Both of these hybrids showcase the incredible nature of genetics, though they are often sterile, unable to produce offspring themselves. Next, let's dive into the ocean to meet the Wholphin. The name itself hints at its origins. This is a crossbreed between a bottlenose dolphin and a false killer whale. The first Wholphin was created accidentally at Sea Life Park, Hawaii, in 1985. They are truly unique creatures, not entirely dolphin, not entirely whale. For instance, a bottlenose dolphin has 88 teeth, while a false killer whale has 44. A Wholphin, they possess 66 teeth. This is a fascinating example of how nature can surprise us, even with a little help from humans. From the sea, we move to the African plains with the zebra. This is a general term for hybrids between a zebra and other members of the equine family. There's the zorse, a mix of a zebra and a horse, and the zedonk, a mix of a zebra and a donkey. While they may look like exotic striped horses, don't be fooled by their striking appearance. Zebroids are known for being incredibly wild, far more difficult to tame than regular horses, and are generally sterile. This demonstrates that some genetic combinations might produce visual beauty, but also present behavioral and biological challenges. Now, let's talk about an animal created to satisfy our appetites. This is a crossbreed between an American bison and domestic cattle. First developed in the 1880s. Its primary purpose is quite practical for the food industry. Buffalo meat is claimed to be superior, boasting lower fat content, fewer calories, and higher protein and vitamins compared to regular beef. This is one instance of genetic engineering directly aimed at improving our food quality. For cat lovers seeking something truly exotic, there's the Savannah cat. This captivating hybrid is the result of crossing a domestic cat with a Surveil, an elegant African wildcat with long legs, large ears, and beautiful spotted fur. Savannah cats have a wild appearance but possess a temperament that can be domesticated. However, their exotic nature comes with a hefty price tag, potentially reaching tens of thousands of dollars, partly due to the difficult breeding process and their unique characteristics. From exotic pets, we turn to one of the mysteries of the avian world, the silky chicken. As the name suggests, their feathers are incredibly soft and feel like silk, but their uniqueness doesn't stop there. Silky chickens have jet black skin and bones, and distinctive blue ears. Their origins trace back to ancient China and are still debated, with some theories even suggesting they might be the result of ancient genetic experiments lost to history. Prepare for something truly futuristic. The Alba Rabbit, also known as the glow-in-the-dark rabbit. This is a fascinating blend of art and science, created by artist Eduardo Cac in collaboration with French scientists. Injected a green fluorescent protein, or GFP, from jellyfish into rabbit egg cells. The result? A rabbit that appears normal in daylight but emits a bright green glow under ultraviolet light. This breathtaking breakthrough opens doors for innovative research and even genetic art. Continuing the theme of transparency, we encountered the transparent frog, or glass frog, created by Professor Masayuki Sumeda from Hiroshima University. This frog is every scientist's dream. Its purpose is brilliant: to facilitate scientific research. Imagine, researchers can now observe the internal organs of the frog directly without the need for dissection. This allows for non-invasive studies of organ development and diseases, accelerating scientific discovery and reducing the need for traditional dissections. And now, brace yourself for something that might make you both wonder and slightly squirm. The spider goat. This is a goat genetically modified with genes from spiders. But not to make the goat jump like a spider. The aim is for these goats to produce spider silk protein through their milk. Why? Because spider silk is an extraordinary material, 7 to 10 times stronger than steel, with limitless applications from super light bulletproof vests to materials for medical purposes like surgical sutures and artificial tissue. This is a testament to biotechnology's potential to revolutionize materials. Finally, we return to land with the wolf dog. As the name implies, this is a crossbreed between a domestic dog and a wild wolf. While captivating and exotic in appearance, wolf dogs inherit strong wild instincts from wolves. They are notoriously difficult to train, often exhibit aggressive behaviors, and can be quite dangerous if not handled correctly. Consequently, some countries even restrict or ban wolf dog ownership due to the risks they pose. This serves as a stark reminder that not all hybrids are suitable for coexistence with humans. So, there you have it, 10 astonishing animals born from human hands. Through both traditional crossbreeding and advanced genetic engineering, from the giant liger to the spider silk-producing goat, and the transparent frog for science, we've seen just how far science has come. However, every step forward often comes with deep ethical and moral questions. This video also touched upon extreme projects like Humanzi, attempts to combine human and chimpanzee genes which spark intense debates about the boundaries we ought not to cross. These experiments highlight how thin the line between science and science fiction has become in our present day. We possess the power to create, but do we possess the wisdom to know when to stop? This question will continue to be at the heart of the biotechnology debate for years to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.